Good morning, friends. Welcome to Sharekhan Pre-Market Roundup. On Friday, most of the global markets from Europe were up, and also the US closed up by around 100 points. Mostly, the Europe was up because there was a 300 points rally on Dow Jones on Thursday, and US was up by 100 points plus because there were large expectations that the decision will be made between Republicans and the Obama on Obamacare and the deadlock which is there going on for the US government. But since then no decisions has been made, even in a meeting which happened on Saturday. On Saturday, one of the Chinese manufacturing data came out which was on the lower side as against the expectation by the economists that the Chinese economy is recovering and the data will be good. But as for most of the economists, the data was on the lower side because there was a lunar holiday in China in the month of September. Coming back to our markets are expected to open almost on a flattish note, somewhere close to 6100 because of there is no deal between the Republicans and Obama on Obamacare on Saturday. On FIS flow, FIS are buyer by around 1010 crore in cash market and 1012 crores in FI index futures. Now let's have an update with Shaival on derivatives.
Good morning, friends. Let's have a view at derivatives. Friends, from past couple of trading sessions, we have been seeing that the markets have been inching higher and finally it has surpassed the levels of 6,100. Now, from last two trading sessions, we have seen that the market is on continuous rise, but we have been seeing that short positions have been built up in the market at regular intervals, and in last 2 days also we have seen that the same positions have been built up in the market. Now, talking about the PCI ratio, friends, the PCI ratio has decreased marginally from 0.11 to 0.10, and with this rise in the market, friends, we have seen that the change in position has taken place and which is clearly visible. Previously 6,000 and 6,100 call option was pretty active. Now that activity has shifted on the higher strikes, that is 6,200, 300 and 400. Also on the other hand, we have seen that the strikes that is on the call side 6,200, 300 and 400, on the put side it's pretty active, whereas if we see strike of 6,100, strike of 6,000, 5,900 stands with almost highest number of shares in the open interest. So on immediate basis 6,000 would act as a good support for the market because that is also a weekly VWAP for the market. As markets are trading above this, our bias for the market is positive. Higher range would be 6236 for the week because this is the straddle break-even point for the month, and from intraday perspective, friends, we feel 6050 might act as a good support for the market. And from intraday perspective, one can buy McDowell's with stop loss of 2545.25. Thank you.
Now let's have an update on the news and the result expectations for today. Firstly, on the result expectation, we have Reliance Industries coming out with numbers today. We also have IndusInd Bank, CMC and Bajaj Corp as another major companies to post results today. For Reliance Industries, we have an expectation of 54.2 billion rupees. On the news update front, we had our IIP on Friday, which came at 0.6 versus expectation of 2.8. This was way below market expectation also. Market was expecting somewhere close to 2.5 as the IIP number. ONGC Videsh, which is the overseas arm of state-owned ONGC, has won an online block in Myanmar, strengthening its presence in the Southeast Asian nation. Telecom major Bharti has raised international call rates by around 80%, mainly on the back of depreciating rupee. Apollo Hospital Enterprise has decided to invest close to 2,000 crore to expand the capacity of its 8,500 odd beds by around 2,800. This will be spread across the nation and across 51 hospitals owned by Apollo Hospital Enterprise. HCL Tech and Wipro are in race for supplying handheld device to post office under a project that is estimated close to 1,500 crore rupees. IDEA has been awarded unified license by Department of Telecom for 7 circles on Sunday. In recent development, IDEA has also raised ISD rates by up to 25%, mainly on the depreciating rupee. Action to be taken is long IDEA with a stop loss of 180 for a target of 189 and 194. Tech Mahindra FI limit has been enhanced from 35% to 45% by RBI. Action to be taken over here is long with a stop loss of 1518 for a target of 1596 and 1625. State-run gas company GAIL is selling about $65 million worth of stake in China Gas Holding through block trade. Action to be taken is long with a stop loss of 330 for a target of 346 and 353. As another setback to pharma company Wockhardt, UK health regulator has withdrawn the goods manufacturing certificate of the company for its Chickalthana facility in Maharashtra. Action to be taken is short Wockhardt with a stop loss of 536, target 510 and 500. That's all from our side, friends. Thanks and have a nice trading session.